He asked the people, "Is there anyone on this earth most knowledgeable who can guide me to repentance?" They pointed him to a monk. He told the monk what he had done. The monk said, "There is no repentance for you." In anger and despair, the man killed the monk too. Now 100 souls, but something inside him still longed for forgiveness. He asked again, and this time they pointed him to a scholar. He told the scholar everything. The scholar said, "Who can stand between you and repentance? Go to this land where righteous people worship Allah. Worship with them. Never return to your evil land." So the man began his journey. But halfway there, death came to him. Angels of mercy and angels of punishment began to argue over his soul. The angels of punishment said, "He never did a single good deed." The angels of mercy said, "He left with a repenting heart, heading towards Allah." Allah sent an angel to judge between them. He said, "Measure the distance between the two lands. Whichever land he is closer to, that is where he belongs." They measured, and he was found to be one hand span closer to the land of righteousness, and so he was forgiven. This story teaches us, no matter how many mistakes you've made, no matter how far you think you've fallen, Allah's mercy is always within reach. Just take one step towards Him, and He will run towards you.